This is Tim. He has his own scaffolding business. He is a fantastic worker, and he also helps to homeschool his two children, Elodin and Leilani. Getting the framing done for the roof. Lovely morning here. Apart from they've been spraying us again.
Die sind lange noch dafür, lange von denen und den dran hältst, verbohren kannst. Ja, dass du die, wenn du gar nicht reinsetzen willst. Ein bisschen reinsetzen, dann vielleicht.
This is Leilani. She loves to be in nature and around the animals, and she learns a lot watching her papa and uncles. Remy is the cow whisperer and has a great connection to the animals and to the land. He is fantastic with the cows and has learnt a lot about them and their personalities in the last 2 years since he has lived here. Building a large cow shed before winter so the cows have shelter and also somewhere to store the hay and the wooden slabs they've been busy slabbing up to build their eco homes in the near future. After putting the posts in last weekend, obviously had to wait for the concrete to set. They're now putting up the frame for the roof to go on. Living on quite a steep hill, having to bring everything up, including the wooden posts and about 50 loads of shingle and sand in a wheelbarrow on quite a muddy pathway, as you can imagine, is very tough physical work.
When the roof is on, it'll be good.
Yeah. The cows are going to be very happy to have the roof on a rainy day. Gene is Remy's younger brother. He also has a very special connection to the cows and the land, and he's great with the children and also an extremely hard worker. The posts are made out of macrocarpa, which is an extremely hard wood, so it's not easy getting screws in, as you can see. We live in New Zealand on the Banks Peninsula in the South Island in a little valley called Little Akaloa. At the moment, Jean and Remy live in the big house down the hill and I live in a tiny home across the river from them. The guys are eager to start building their eco homes further up the hill. So this will be a temporary shelter for the cows as Jean and Remy will be building their homes on top of a permanent cow shed in the future. In order to do this, first they must make an accessible road up the side of the hill so they can take all the building materials up, etc. Since they've been here in just 2 years, they've created an organic garden, which is just beyond this shed. They've helped to raise 4 baby calves and a kitten while looking after beehives, putting fences up and much more. It actually blows my mind how amazing they are, to be honest. They are transforming the forest into an amazing place to visit, and they have some pretty exciting things planned for the future. In times where it is increasingly difficult to live on the planet, they are beating the odds by staying positive and focused on the task at hand. Our goal is to create a beautiful safe haven for the family and the animals, and for people to visit and learn about permaculture, Homer practices such as agnihotra. Also, a place where children can come and spend time in nature and also learn essential survival skills for their future in order for them to flourish on their Mother Earth.
Ja, ist fast am Ende von den ersten Beam. Ganz kleines Stück noch. So ist okay. Ja. Ich bin 3/4 jetzt drauf. Ja, ich bin auch gut drauf. Gut, dann einmal Hand weg. Also, Hand weg. Sind die Level miteinander auch? Geh mal Hand weg, Elo. Nee, der ist ein bisschen höher.
If you enjoyed this video and would like to follow us on our journey to creating a sanctuary in the Garden of Eden, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.
Wieder die Mikrowelle angemacht. Look at the sky now. It was blue before. Where I came, the sun was still out.
They've been spraying us.
Was sagst du, Jean? Brauchen wir noch mehr removiert hier oben? Oder? Das schon, ne? Ja. Da kommen noch. Also erstmal hier dran, raus. Ja, wir müssen das selber bauen. Wir müssen den da hinten rausnehmen, glaube ich.